240, your A Division final. In 5th place with a time of 2:59.29, MDC Water Dragons. In 4th place with a time of 2:57.91, the Hartford Stag-On. In 3rd place with a time of 2:48.45, Milone and MacBroom Warrior. In 2nd place with a time of 2:44.07, UTAS Blazing Paddle. And in 1st place in the A Division final, the final race of the day with a time